So this is my entry into the 2018 Portal Woodworks Plywood Challenge, and so I scroll-sawed the logo. Portal's a buddy. We were marketing, promoting it so that people know. Lots of prizes. So it, Steve Nealon, and the guys. Man, how obvious! You're gonna, you're playing up to the judges. Well, fine, but not really. This is Portal's logo, hammer, and the saw inside. I filmed a little bit of it live as I did it. Check it out. Testing, like a commercial for the thing. I'm gonna record the stuff and then download it. Type of plywood. This is my sheet of plywood. It is gonna be this. This is my sheet of plywood. The Portal Woodworks wall art. Today I had to go drop off some sold items, and if you go to portalwoodworks.com, but these are these are still doable. But even this gear, look at that ridiculousness. With a pencil, see. And we'll fix it. We'll do it live because you could just, finagle around and stuff. This I'm really worried about. An inside ring. There's this cog here. There's this blade. I thought I was going to be able to get away with this. I was insane. Right up through there. So I'll cut through here, straight up. Whatever, I have to sand the fuzzies off of this. So I'm going to get some footage of me sanding this. Like here, I'm gonna eat that chop. I'm happy you guys hung out with me. Thank you for watching Portal Woodworks. Thanks for doing this. See you next year.